the most exciting part is the interclass competition wherein students showcase their talents and creativity.
Ang natatandaan ko lang lagi sa GA is, syempre minsan nagkakaroon ng inisan during preparation, pero pagdating sa actual performance, everybody moves as one.
The General Assembly is not just about entertainment, it's also about reminding the students that JPIA is an organization that will stay, that will promote all the relative values that will enhance the capabilities of the students.
Bilib ako talaga sa mga estudyante pagdating sa ganitong activity. Kasi kinakarir talaga nila yung ganitong klaseng activities mula props, costume, hanggang dun sa performance nila. Kaya ito yung gusto ko.
Talagang pagsabi GA, lagi meron something na makaka-surprise amin ako as prof, as siguro judge. Lagi may bago, may relation na klase or particular student. So hopefully lahat maging excited din sa GA. Talagang minabang niya lahat, even mga family.
Activity other than academics, in which they can teach students, and section as whole can show their talents, either singing, dancing, acting, or whatever.
Ang pinaka-favorite ko na part ko sa GA, yung performance ng mga estudyante. Kasi parang alam mo yun, wala naman silang bayad doon, pero all out sila na mag-perform.
I like how it presents a different side of our accountants, that they're not just people who deal with numbers all the time, that they can also be creative and they can also be performance.
Yung favorite part ko yung kapag ka may nakakatawa nag-perform.
Ito ba kayo mag-send students? So, General Assembly is maganda talaga yung General Assembly ng GPIA.
First time kong sumayaw talaga kasi napasayaw nila ako dun. First time kong sumayaw sa college life ko. Pero enjoy naman kasi sobrang lahat talaga. Lahat ng hindi sumasayaw, napasayaw. Lahat ng hindi umaarte, napaarte. So ayun, masaya naman total year ng GA namin.
Ng JPIA. Actually, yun yung isa sa mga pinaka-highlight ng college life ko, especially nung third year. No, medyo na-reshuffle kami ng third year, just like in your case, na-reshuffle kayo. Binigyan kami ng chance para mag-bond as a class. So yun yung actually nagpa-isa sa amin.
General Assembly ng JPIA, wow! This is the most awaited activity ng mga accounting students. And believe me, this is full of surprises, excitement, no? Sure ako doon, mag-enjoy dito. One of the best part ng General Assembly ng JPIA, pinakagusto ko, when the students, third year and fourth year, no, they showcase yung mga talent and skills with full of creativity. Believe me, mag-enjoy dito. So watch for it.
Kami ang mga Zaido!
Best GA ng Japan.